What's up guys, Carolynn Castillo here with another property tour. Today we're located at 1261 Southwest 28th Way. Let's go take a look. Hi guys, come on in. Come take a look at this place. So as I mentioned, we're actually located in Davie, Florida on the east side, okay? So you're actually 20 minutes to Miami from here and really close to the beach. This house, I absolutely love it. It's actually an investor that I work for, and he buys and sells properties. So this house, when he first bought it, was not in this condition. He has knocked down walls, he's redid the floors, the kitchens, the bathrooms. You've seen other houses that he's done, and he does A+ work. So let's take a look at this home now. First thing you're going to notice is the amazing flooring throughout the house. Now this is a really new type of flooring. It's rectangle shaped marble tile floor. So with this flooring, it just makes it look so elegant, so modern. It just makes it look spacious, and I love it. You're going to see the new baseboards throughout. He also did a lovely upgrade, which was the recessed lighting. So all throughout the home, this is actually a vaulted ceiling. So if you want to have like a really big Christmas tree, this is the house for you, okay? But he has recessed lighting throughout all over the house. It's also an open concept. So when we first got this house, it was all, there was a wall here, there was a wall here. Actually, the kitchen was only like this big. So here he basically completely opens up the entire kitchen. You're going to see here the beautiful 42-inch cabinets. He also did the granite, a gray neutral granite countertop, which is really popular right now. And the glass tile backsplash. He always does the most amazing updates within the home. So everybody that buys this house is just going to be super happy. You also have all of the chrome fixtures on the cabinets, and just a really overall, I mean, look at this. It's like, you know, you've got this huge open floor plan. You've got these beautiful windows behind you. Also, this house is actually located on a cul-de-sac. So there's only a certain amount of neighbors here. There's not a lot of traffic passing through. So it's something that you're really going to enjoy. Now, the awesome thing is this could be a house that your family lives in, a starter home. We're going to be listing this property on the market for $350,000. Okay, so this is like an entry-level property, perfect for anybody to do FHA, 3.5% down. Beautiful home to come move right into. Now, if you wanted to also make money while you live here, this is an awesome property to do that. So I'm going to show you where you can actually have an efficiency. Okay, I'm going to come over here. Okay, now this could be the laundry room, which the current owner has wired it for that. Okay. But there's another room here that's not included. So this room right here, which is what we would call a Florida room, a day room, it has its own entrance right here. And when you walk in, actually come, let me show you outside, because this will actually show you it has its own driveway. Okay, huge backyard, amazing backyard. Okay, so with this lot, you're actually going to get over 10,000 square feet. So it's a humongous lot. Now it is currently fenced with everybody else's fences basically, but right where you see the hedges right there, that's actually the property line. So you can have here boats, RVs, put a pool, anything. There's no HOA here. You can just do whatever you want. Now, what would be if you wanted to make this an income producing property, you live in a 2-1, and then you rent out the rest of the house. You'll see here is a huge driveway. So you can come right here. The tenant can actually park their car right here. Sorry, I actually have to close this door. Hold on a second. This door is open. So right here, the tenant could actually come right in here. Or if this is your home, you could use this as a driveway right here. You have an entrance door here, which I'll show you on the inside. This is the master bedroom. But this is the unit that you would potentially be renting out. So you could just park your car right here. Beautiful here. Walk right in. Also, something to notate about this home is that this home has hurricane shutters on every single window. So it hasn't been, the windows haven't been updated. The windows are in good condition, but it does have the shutters, so you will get the insurance credit. So this could be your future efficiency unit, okay? You can come right in, grab the door. This could be the little efficiency. It has a closet here, and then this could be the bathroom. So you could have here a little bathroom, everything, the water, the electrical's here, and then you could actually shut this off. Peekaboo, shutty-boo. Okay? And this could be shut off and be a separate unit. So a unit like this would probably rent close to 900 bucks. So if you wanted to purchase this home, first-time home buyer, and you wanted to have help paying off your mortgage, you have an awesome income-producing opportunity here, okay? Now, the main house over here, you're gonna see recessed lighting throughout. You have your first bedroom, begin here. As you can see, the vaulted ceilings, you've got the recessed lighting, you've got a closet here, all the marble tile is throughout the entire home. You're gonna have your first bathroom here. Turn on the light. So again, all the finishes here are incredible. You've got the glass shower, You got the glass shower doors, and you will notice there's no separation. This is the new thing people are doing. There's no step in, so you just walk right in. And you've got all the beautiful recessed lighting, vaulted ceilings, new cabinets, everything here has been completely redone. So it's a small home, first time home buyer, but it has everything done. So all you have to do is move in. Again, you've got the vaulted ceilings, recessed lighting. Some of the windows are older, okay, but you do have the hurricane shutters. So that's something that you can update, you know, little by little as you live here. You can just change out a window, things like that. Now, this would be considered the master. Now, this is the biggest room in the house, and it also does have the bathroom inside. So you do have here your similar style. All the same fixtures are here. Walk in, shower, so you can come in. Hi! I love it because just all the finishes, the blue cabinet, the granite countertops, the square sink, it's just all the modern features. So literally you just move in here and you just make it your own. Now, if you wanted to get crazy with the income producing property, you could also rent this out. So this does have its separate entrance here. Let's see if this door is unlocked. Hold on. Woohoo! Okay, so here we are back outside again. So you could very easily have two rental units here. One here, it's a full efficiency with a full bathroom. You just put a little kitchenette in there. You could probably rent this out for like $650, $700 easy. With that one renting out at about $900, you're looking at almost, $1,600 bucks a month. It probably would be how much your mortgage would be for a house like this. So it's a really cool opportunity. Not all houses have opportunities to do that. Some houses are just built that way that you can kind of split up the units, and then you and your, if it's a single person, small family, you guys could live, because you could just block this off. You guys could live in the 2-bedroom. So you have 2 bedrooms, 1 bathroom, and then you've got, the beautiful kitchen, living room, all of this space here. So it really has a lot of potential. And with it having over 9,000 square feet lot, it's very, very unique. $350 a month. Not 350, 350,000 to buy it, okay? No monthly payment here, no HOA or anything like that. I just want to show you really quick. If you did the income producing opportunity, they do have a driveway here, okay? So you would actually pull up your car right here. This could be your driveway. Pull up your car. You walk right into your front door. Let me show you. You want to just pull up your car. This is your unit here. You walk in. And I'm going to show you something neat with the shutters when we go inside so you can see how these work. It looks a little weird on the outside, but it's really beneficial when you live in South Florida. So you're probably saying, what the heck is this? Okay, I'm going to show you. When I got here, I was like, what is this? Hold on a second. I got it. Look at this cute little handle. You say, oh, what? Channel 7 News, there's a hurricane coming? Oh, okay, not a problem. So you just roll these bad boys right down, okay? And next thing you know, that's it. You're done with your hurricane. It's just that easy. So when the hurricane's over, you just roll it right back up. So it's pretty neat. Hurricanes are real in South Florida. And without the impact windows, you definitely have to have shutters. And if you don't have these kind, you're going to spend the whole day hanging up shutters. So I'm excited for you guys to see it. I hope you love this house as much as I do. This seller has put a lot of love, a lot of energy into this property. And I know whoever buys it is going to absolutely love it. So talk with your realtor or contact me directly. The comments will be below. How to get in touch with us. We would love to set up a private appointment for this to be your house. Thanks for watching.